Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness with MEIZU mBlu 21. Let's begin. First, we want to simply go to the settings, then scroll down a little until you will see the display section. Click it, and you want to make sure that your adaptive brightness is on. When it's off, your auto brightness feature will simply not work. So we want to make sure that it's on, and as you can see, our brightness level already went up since it will work automatically. However, the problem with auto brightness is that it sometimes just doesn't work right, and sometimes it will brighten up the phone too much even though you are not in that dark or that white spot. If you still encounter any issues with this feature, you need to make sure to simply turn it off again, since sometimes it does really help. However, if it's still not helping, I would advise you to simply reboot your device. I know it sounds kind of silly, but adaptive brightness works based off sensors in the camera, and sensors, just like any other system on your phone, can be rebooted. So let's simply reboot our device. We can easily do that by expanding our control center and hitting that icon on the bottom and then restart. Now our phone is restarting and every single system on it is restarting as well, including, of course, our auto brightness and sensors that are related to auto brightness working. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.